Hi, maayong hapon.
Yeah, good time.
Ayan, sasagot kayo ni Faye.
Nagluluto ako bilo-bilo. Nag-crave kami ni Papa kagabi sa bilo-bilo, kaya nagluluto ako ngayon.
Ay, babe. Mm. Yung tuna sandwiches din. You forgot yung tuna sandwich? Nakalimutan niya na. Okay, let's go. Magkaon. Babe, they said they felt my love for you is real. The way I take care of you, everything. So they said that they felt love for you and they love each other. Oh, di ba narinig niyo yun? Mahal niya ako. How are you, babe? Our followers, they said, how are you?
Yeah, good time.
Ayan, sasagot kayo ni Faye.